Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can make this neon portrait. I will delete this so that we could make it from the start. So the first thing you will do is just simply select the pen tool and start tracing your model. After you are done, simply hide the bottom layer and create a solid color adjustment layer on top of it. And hit OK. While I was making the strokes, I divided them into two parts: glasses, hair and lips, and rest. Simply double click on it and click on outer glow. Let's change its color to blue and hit OK. After that, click Alt on this layer and drag it to the bottom layer. Just double click on the effects and change its color too. So your neon portrait effect is ready now. I hope you guys will like this. Don't forget to like and share.